Elon Musk just dropped a shocker. A brand new video showing 6 everyday jobs a Tesla Optimus robot will already be performing next year. Even more groundbreaking, this is the first commercially available Gen 3 Optimus, officially arriving in February 2026 with starting price below $20,000. Musk confirmed that Gen 3 will launch with around 1,500 built-in tasks, later doubling to 3,000 through updates. Gen 4, which arrives after that, will be more advanced in every way, nearly twice as capable and supporting around 5,000 tasks, while Gen 5 is already under development with plans for 6,500 tasks and a targeted 2028 release window. What truly stunned the audience is Musk's bold claim that Gen 5 will be fully capable of running an entire household, cooking, cleaning, organizing, and even performing certain surgical procedures in under 2 hours with near-perfect accuracy. But Musk went further, stating that the long-term goal is something even more astonishing: the ability to upload everything that defines a human being into a robotic body. According to him, transferring your consciousness, memories, and thought patterns into a machine could be possible within the next 2 decades. He explained that using Neuralink, it may one day be feasible to take a snapshot, an approximate digital copy, of a person's mind and upload it into a Tesla robot. This wouldn't be a flawless duplicate, he admits, because habits and memories might diverge slightly over time, but would still be a functioning version of you. Optimus itself is a humanoid, bipedal but intentionally robotic in appearance, built to walk, balance, lift up to 20 kilograms, and learn complex tasks in real-world environments. It interacts with humans naturally without trying to imitate a human face. The potential is both impressive and slightly eerie, especially when you consider how a robot with perfect recall and flawless facial recognition could one day walk among us while carrying the digital mind of a real person. Naturally, this raises a question: how much will Gen 5 actually cost? Musk revealed that Tesla spends roughly $10,000 to manufacture each unit and plans to sell the upcoming Gen 3 for around $20,000. More capable generations like Gen 4 and 5 will be more expensive, but Musk promised they will remain below $50,000, even the versions capable of surgery and mind-uploading functions. At that price range, every 100,000 units sold could generate around $4 billion in revenue. While massive numbers like that seem surreal, Musk has repeatedly stated that Optimus is intended for global mass production, ultimately reaching millions or even billions of units as costs fall. The idea of a $20,000 humanoid robot is revolutionary because these machines are extremely complicated compared to building an electric vehicle. Robotics require intricate actuators, advanced sensors, high-precision mechanisms, and AI systems that make car manufacturing look simple by comparison. Yet Musk insists Optimus will cost about half of what an EV costs, making it far more accessible than any other humanoid robot today. He pointed out that the main reason humanoid robots haven't spread globally is that they're either too expensive or not useful enough to justify their price. A clumsy $20,000 robot that shuffles around and barely helps with anything is more of a novelty than a tool. Most consumers wouldn't invest that much unless the robot clearly saved them time and effort. For comparison, Boston Dynamics' famous Atlas, capable of parkour, acrobatics, and heavy lifting, costs around $150,000, making it completely inaccessible for typical households. Finding a functional humanoid robot under $50,000 is nearly impossible, which is why Tesla's pricing strategy stands out so dramatically. Skeptics argue that a $20,000 price tag sounds unrealistic, considering Tesla's history of delays and shifting projections. But Tesla's major advantage is that it doesn't rely on expensive third-party robotic suppliers. Instead, it repurposes its own EV sensors, AI chips, actuators, and manufacturing methods, dramatically lowering production costs. This gives Tesla a real chance at achieving a price point competitors can't match. But beyond price, what fascinates people most is capability. Especially Musk's promise that a future Optimus will complete thousands of household tasks in mere hours. Imagine a robot preparing breakfast every morning, mowing your lawn, folding every piece of laundry, tutoring your children, or handling chores you dread. It would save unimaginable amounts of time, energy, and money. Musk says Optimus is built specifically to replace humans in boring, repetitive, or dangerous tasks, and even suggested people could earn money by renting out their robots. That said, many people remain doubtful, arguing that even if the robot were sold for $5,000, they wouldn't buy it unless it proved extremely useful. At the end of the day, consumers want technology that makes life easier, not technology that sits in the corner gathering dust. Picture coming home after a long workday, exhausted, with chores waiting for you. Yet instead you walk into a spotless home, freshly cooked food, and a robot that hands you a cold drink as you collapse onto the couch. While this sounds like a sci-fi fantasy, Optimus could actually deliver it. Tesla has already reshaped the auto industry, and now it's accelerating the humanoid robotics race. Before Tesla announced the project in 2021, humanoid robots were seen as unrealistic or gimmicky. But the moment Tesla entered the field, robotics companies around the world rushed to reveal projects they had kept secret. From day one, Tesla designed Optimus to behave like a human assistant, standing at 5 feet 10 inches, 177 centimeters, and weigh about 138 pounds. Compact and manageable inside a typical home. Importantly, Tesla avoided hydraulic actuators because they're loud and impractical for household environments. Instead, they engineered quieter, electric actuators ideal for living spaces. One common question is how long Optimus can run. Tesla claims the robot can operate up to 20 hours a day with a battery capacity of just 2.3 kilowatt hours. In practice, a more realistic estimate is around 6 continuous hours before needing a short recharge, likely around 15 to 30 minutes. Achieving a full 20-hour window would require several recharge cycles, but realistically, most consumers will never need continuous operation anyway since Optimus isn't built strictly for industrial labor. Gen 5 will feature one of the most advanced learning methods ever introduced, the ability to watch instructional videos and then autonomously perform the same tasks using computer vision and deep learning. By simply showing a robot a cooking tutorial, it could repeat the recipe step by step, clean afterward, and refine its technique with each attempt. On cleaning days, instead of scrubbing floors yourself, you could play a housekeeping video and let the robot handle everything while you relax with a cup of coffee. But these abilities require extraordinary hand design, which is why Tesla constantly upgrades Optimus's mechanical hands. Musk recently revealed a new version featuring 22 degrees of freedom, the most advanced robotic hand ever built. These hands can delicately hold fragile objects, work with small tools, water plants, play piano pieces, or execute intricate movements that usually require years of practice.